and this is my story. In March 2008, I was savagely attacked. I was raped, beaten, and then had sulphuric acid thrown in my face, left for dead in broad daylight in central London. This attack left me with not only life-changing injuries, but permanent facial disfigurement, blindness of one eye, unable to swallow solid foods, living on a drip for 2 years. As you can imagine, it was catastrophic, but even more so that my whole career had been based on not only my looks, my appearance, but also my levels of confidence. Here in the UK, I worked as a model and a TV presenter. After the attack, I was registered as disabled. I was living on social security. At the age of 24, when most of my friends were getting married, buying properties, having babies, I was living back with my parents. But I felt determined, I felt motivated by the evil inside the men that attacked me. They wanted to end my life, and I decided it was just beginning. I set out to help other people by setting up a charity, but I also wanted to prove society wrong, that this exterior doesn't matter, and I wanted to prove my attackers wrong. I wanted to prove that you can only touch what you can see. You can touch somebody all over, but you can never ever own another. My spirit, my soul, these are mine, and they forever remain untouchable. With this determination and focus, I went back out into the world, and along with my injuries, I regained a new spirit, a fighting spirit, that led me to go on to become the face of Pantene hair brand here in the UK, L'Oreal makeup range, and I also went on to write 7 books, #1 best-selling books that have sold all around the world in every single continent. My books have been translated into languages that I can't even speak myself. But I faced so much rejection when trying to take this pathway. But I found a magic formula that worked for me. I've also returned to TV presenting and present on the main channels here in the UK. And I'm also now an owner of a big property portfolio here in the UK. In fact, my life has never been better, but it hasn't been easy getting here. I'm also so happy now in my personal life. I'm married and I have 2 children, and I want to help you become happy too. Because if I can do this, then you can definitely do it. I'm going to give you 10 simple steps of how to get rich, how to get happy, and how to stay there. So what are you waiting for?